How to mirror iPhone to MacBook. You can mirror your iPhone to your MacBook wirelessly using the AirPlay or screen mirroring, a built-in Apple feature that allows screen sharing between Apple devices. And here is a step-by-step tutorial. First of all, iPhone and MacBook must be on the same Wi-Fi network. They must also have Bluetooth turned on, so drag down the control center. Then all you have to do is tap on the screen mirroring button available there. Now you can see my MacBook name available. Now all you have to do is tap on the MacBook. Then it will start screen mirroring on the MacBook. So let me just open the camera app and show you my MacBook has already started screen mirroring my iPhone. Now in order to stop it, drag down the control center and go to the screen mirroring and tap on the stop your play button available there or stop mirroring option available. Simply tap on it and stop it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.